Omo, they gas arrest, dem gas investigate and arrest informant wey dey bring out these court issues wey suppose dey very discreet until the day they take action, legal action. They suppose dey keep the information secret, but this informant that is always taking this information to grandfather has to be arrested. Omo, my people, another banger just land for our hand as court has decided that whether Yul Edochie likes it or not, they've set a date for their divorce settlement to be done. Omo, guys, this particular information after the court been get meeting take finalize this thing, they thought say they no go call them Yul Edochie legal representative again, because Yul Edochie's legal representative, every time when they tell them say make they do something for that court, they do not do it. They don't used to hit to any instruction. The only people wey dey hit to instruction are May Edochie legal team. So they come to say it's even useless to even still call them to discuss any matter with them, because they are always very nonchalant about the instructions. E be like say they get plan for mind. So the court can say it is even very useless. So this meeting, what will they do? There's no need of calling in their legal representative. Say whatever decision they take in this meeting is final. No matter what Yul Edochie is, or no matter what he think it is, that this court decision will be final, and they are not going to involve his legal representative. Omo, my people, no be small matter wey shele on top Egberaga social media, this social media wey we do, no be small matter. Now, as the court been get this meeting where they decided to do some finalizings, which I go tell you now the full finalizing for waiting they talk for the meeting for this video. Now, so there one informant from the court, and I know say yes, grandfather get person inside there where they always give us some kind information, and they've been trying to like track the person and expose the person, but it be like say they play their game where they never find the person. Omo, guys, so wetin come happen be say as this informant go meet grandfather, another kasala just burst, another kasala burst for inside court. Omo, my people, I go bring the gist come una domoto. Omo, May Edochie don suffer. This woman don suffer for this Edochie, and this woman don suffer. E no get wetin this woman never see. This whole scenario does dey tell us say e be like say for the whole 20 years wey this woman dey for inside the family, she been just dey persevere. This woman don really suffer. Omo, no be small thing. No, before I even talk and tell una the full gist, this is Everbest TV. You're highly welcome to my channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification bell, make you dey notified when we drop another ogbonge. Don't snooze o. If you snooze, you will lose. Omo, to my amazing returnees, so I really appreciate you now. Thank you for coming back to watch my video back to back, and even liking my videos and sharing my videos. Thank you so much for the good work. I bet just dey continue the good work. Thank you so much. God go bless una for supporting me. Now back to the matter wey dey on ground. Now see wetin the court do. So when they get this meeting now, they talk say okay, say make May Edochie legal team come in, say they go agree on the divorce settlement. They can't draft out the list, everything. Talk say it doesn't really matter if Yul Edochie agrees to it or not. It's going to be by force, and if does not agree to it, say keri go dey in new home. So they can't write everything for the divorce settlement, even coupled with the money wey May Edochie talk say Yul Edochie been due palm off when they been dey their marriage, where Yul Edochie embezzle. So that money they thought say he must send the money, and some different settlements like the properties, how they want to divide the properties, those mansions, everything. So they can't talk say they don't settle the whole divorce, everything, even plus waiting go to May Edochie children. They don't write the whole list. Now in this informant go meet grandfather, contact grandfather, say almost say court don't decide on their last decision, or say they don't write out everything where they go give for the divorce settlement. Say if the court goes through with this, say Yul Edochie no go find this divorce settlement funny, or say the thing yakpa, say in fact it will render Yul useless. In fact, say Yul will be rendered so poor that even he cannot afford a bike. Omo, and the person can't tell grandfather, say grandfather has to do something, if not they've lost everything they have been working for. And grandfather can't tell us, okay, give her the full details of their meeting, even though we will not really to get the full details waiting the guy they talk, because according to our sources they didn't really get the full details of the meeting. But the main part was say the divorce settlement, whether the legal team likes it or not. Now the guy can't ask Peter Edochie, say you know why they not involve Yul Edochie legal team. Now you can't say it be like say because say anytime they bring us until for court the legal team dey always kick against it, or if they give them instruction they no dey always carry am out, even he sef know the main reason why they did not involve his legal team in the meeting. Okay, now so after the issue na Pete Edochie come call Yoyo come tell am say omo there's fire on the mountain. Him come call am talk say there's fire on the mountain, say he's about to lose everything that they've both been working for and working hard to get. Omo hey, so wetin una dey work hard to get and work hard to get na May Edochie money. Say even the money wey Yul Edochie embezzle, say he's about to return it to if Yul Edochie does not take fast action. Say oh na May Edochie money, now una dey sit down dey say everything you worked hard for. How did you work hard for her own money that you are working out for? They come say they have to find a way to stop the divorce process. So say if they actually go through with this divorce, say Yul Edochie has lost it forever. Omo no be small thing o. Na Pete Edochie come call High Court for Ikeja talk say he wan talk to Josephine, wey be Josephine Edochie now. So she come talk say say she don retire, say she no dey do court. Then Pete come talk say you can still say something, so at least if you say something say they go wan reverse the case. Na the lady come talk say okay make we go the court na, make we go see wetin dem go talk. Na as they enter, even the judge was even surprised, say they no get court hearing, wetin these people dey do for here. Na the lady come start to dey talk or say say May Edochie called her and was saying that she would like to reconsider the divorce. Say the reason why she's even going through with this divorce is because na her friends dey mount pressure on top and say she cannot take the nonsense that this guy is doing, that makes she no divorce. But she no want to, she's trying to give the divorce a second thought to see if Yul Edochie will come back to his senses, all those stuff. Now the court come tell say wetin carry talk, wetin carry matter come wey May Edochie tell you this kind thing and she no tell her legal team. Now she come say say May Edochie was confiding in her omo 40-year-old woman, no know wetin she want. Someone that is as big as that CEO no know wetin she want. Na you she dey call come confide in person wey be her enemy. Omo there's nothing these people have not done. Then talk plenty for the court. Say May Edochie does not want to go through with the divorce, and even that money settlement. Like which one is the money settlement? They say May Edochie was sleeping when her husband was actually withdrawing money without was she not receiving alert? That is because she loves her husband, that she cannot be bringing up that kind of money talk now. Omo as they talk all their rant, court tell say all this thing wey una dey rant say e no really concern her, say e no know who don come outside come tell una what they tell una. But the truth is that the court has made their decision and it's final. Say make they wait to hear from the court on the last day of hearing. Say once they come outside, say they don't put the whole divorce settlement in place. Say until May Edochie herself calls the court and tells the court otherwise, or her legal team calls the court and tells the court otherwise, say they are going to go through with their initial decision. Omo no be small thing. Grandfather now is warning Etta Skepta to look for a way to make sure the decision does not stand. But my people, I say make I bring a come na domo to say the guys arrest that informant, because by now we will not be talking plenty story. By now everything for don go. We must arrest that informant. Now grandfather will be looking for a way to fight it till his last breath. Omo guys, I say make I bring a come na domo to wetin una think, make una put am for comment section. Don't forget to give this video a like, share this video and comment, and follow me, subscribe for more amazing updates like this. Thank you very much guys. See you in my next video upload. Bye.